Hi, welcome to Linux Zone. This video is part 5, how to install Arch Linux, Window Manager OpenBox. So now we have to install some other packages like Polkit, GUI text editor, file manager etc. So let's begin. So first, install authentication agent, Polkit. It is used for controlling system-wide privileges. Run this command. Now try to write this path by pressing Tab. Then copy the whole path. Then edit xinit.rc file with nano. Then paste this like this. Shift plus insert key. Then add and at the end. Then save and exit. Now, try to reboot or shut down without sudo. So now you can do certain things without root privileges. Now install File Manager, text editor, web browser, like Firefox or Chrome. Run this command. Now edit xinit.rc with gedit. Run this command. Then add PCMANFM to it. It will provide desktop management also. Then save and exit. Now run PCMANFM in desktop mode, so you can use OpenBox like regular desktop environment. Now copy the desktop files, like Firefox or Chrome on desktop, in terminal like this, so you can see the Firefox icon. Now generate OpenBox menu for newly installed apps. And reconfigure OpenBox. By right-click on panel like this, you can find your installed apps in menu now. Then in File Manager go to Edit, Preferences, General, tick checkbox. As shown. So, that's it in this video. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. See you in next video.